Hey there, today I have a Natalie Attired box to unbox. If you're not familiar with Natalie Attired, it is another online styling service very similar to Stitch Fix. Actually, this is the one I consider the most similar to Stitch Fix. So they send you 5 items of clothing based on a style profile that you complete online, and it is personally selected by a stylist. And you have 3 days, I think, to try everything on and decide what to keep. And there's a $20 styling fee. And if you keep all 5 items, you get 20% off. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so here's my bundle. And I'll show you this side too. Okay, so with Natalie Attired, they send you a card with a handwritten note from your stylist, and my stylist is Renee, and this is my 4th time trying Natalie Attired, and I think I've had Renee for at least 3 of the 4 times. So it's a really short note, so I'll just quickly read it. And she says, "Hi Tisha, I chose 4 tops that can be worn with a multitude of pants and capris, and the gray ankle pant I included. I didn't have any dresses this time that I thought you'd love. Enjoy, Renee." Okay, so the first top I have, it's by Fun to Fun. Oh, this is cute. I like this. And it's in a size medium. And so it's like a, you see it has a tie front and kind of, has like a peplum in the back, but not in the front. And kind of fluttery sleeves. And this one is $48. So, that's kind of a little pricey for a Fun to Fun top, but it's cute. Okay, next. Okay, it's another top. And this one is by THML. It's nice. It has a pretty, kind of a paisley black print with a pink, like embroidered detail around the neckline. I kind of don't like tops that I can't wear a regular bra with though. And it does have kind of an interesting V in the front. And this one is $59. So yeah, this one is kind of more on the pricey side too. Next, okay, this is a cute top. It's by Skies Are Blue. And it has kind of a interesting little hole in the back. And this one is, I think she sent me all size mediums, $49. $49 for a Skies Are Blue top. Okay. And it has kind of a nice edging on the bottom. Yeah, so that's cute. $49. Okay. Next, okay, this is another top by Skies Are Blue. Very interesting, actually. They sent me a size small. What's interesting is I'm getting the same top from Golden Tote. It was in their August collection, and I actually ordered it as an add-on item after I ordered my tote, so still coming. I haven't gotten it yet. But the Golden Tote price was $35, and this is $49. So, okay. And lastly, okay, these are gray jeans, and they're by Liverpool. And they are, what are they? The Avery crop pant, and they're size 28, and they're $79. So this is a very thick looking pants or jeans, and it has this kind of unfinished, or what do you call that? Dropped hem? Not sure. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Natalie Attire this month. So I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, here's the first top. And it's cute. It's nice. It's like a rayon, so it's like a breathable fabric. And I kind of like the print. And I just paired it with some white jeans. And these are Liverpool jeans that I got from Mix and Match. So yeah, definitely a cute blouse that I would wear. And it has kind of fluttery sleeves. So yeah, cute. I can't remember what the price was, but I think it was a little pricey for this type of top, but cute. Okay, so here's the next top. And this one is also by Fun to Fun. And it is very pretty. It's a cute top, and it has a really pretty print. It's kind of lightweight, kind of sheer actually, a little bit. And I paired it with some jeggings, and I just got these from Uniqlo. So they just opened a Uniqlo in Ala Moana shopping center, and it's just a pop-up store. I found a bunch of stuff, and it's actually pretty affordable. And also, like I said, I already ordered this same exact top from Golden Tote, so I have that coming. But this is a size small, and my Golden Tote one is a size medium. Anyway, yeah, cute. Okay, so here is that white top. And you'll see it has kind of a cutout in the back. And it has this kind of interesting, is that like a lace looking, kind of looks like doilies, detail. Short sleeve. Actually, it's kind of a nice cut because it's forgiving, right? It's not too fitted. It's a little bit on the thin side. But I think it looks cute. Nice top. And I've just paired it with these striped pants I got. And remember how I got these kind of expensive pants that were striped from Stitch Fix? I returned them. And I found these at the rack. And to be honest, I still haven't worn them. But these striped pants, they're actually pretty cute, and I think they're part linen. But yeah, and I think this pairs nicely with this. Not bad. Okay, so here's the last top, and paired with the Liverpool jeans. And these are just skinny gray wash jeans, and they fit nicely. This is my size with Liverpool. I think it's what I get. But here's the top, and it is cute. I'm cutting off my head, I just realized that, but it's too late to refilm this. But yeah, so it is a cute top. And I'll just show you up close again. It has this interesting neckline. And I am just wearing a regular bob, but I just pushed it in for the video. And it's kind of a nice flowy look. So yeah, cute. And yeah, the jeans are just really nice, I think. A nice faded gray wash. So, and they fit. So we'll see, I'll think about it because I don't have any gray jeans. Okay, so that was everything I got in this month's Natalie Attired box. And I don't know, it was okay. And actually, let me quickly go over the invoice. So for the 5 items, the total would be $284. If I were to buy all 5 and take advantage of the 20% discount, the total box would be $211.20. And I do have some credit, so several of you have signed up using my referral link. So I just want to quickly thank Marvy, Mary, and Kayla for signing up using my referral link. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Okay, so that does make my box a lot more affordable, but I'm not really sure still what I'm going to keep. I thought, you know, to be honest, some of the tops for what they were kind of pricey, and that I could get similar tops, say from Stitch Fix or Mix and Match, or even Golden Tote for less. Like, for example, this top, I know I've already ordered it from Golden Tote, and it's coming, and it's going to be $35, and this one is $49. So yeah, so this one definitely no, but I did like it, which is a good thing. So let me know what you guys thought of the clothes. I mean, I thought it was a pretty good box. I don't know, I do like Natalie Attired. I think their clothing is pretty cute, but you can get comparable clothes from some of the other boxes for less money, I think. But I still do think it is a good service, and I do enjoy it, so. But that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of unboxings and shopping hauls, and if you enjoy those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.